Hey guys, and welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about the new iPhone 15 Pro and the best deals out there with major carriers like Verizon, at&t, and more. So let's get into it, guys, because this is a really good article. It's not just talking about, the big three or whatever, the big four technically. They're talking about some prepaid carriers that have to do with this carrier. Prepaid, postpaid. You'll see what I'm talking about. But let's get into it, guys. I just kind of skimmed through it a little bit, but I usually read these articles as you so I can give you my honest opinion. So let's get into it. And of course, the new iPhone 15 is around the corner. Pre-orders did start yesterday. So let's go ahead and take a look. So it says, looking for the best iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max deals. Pre-orders are live now, and the newest phones are slated for delivery on September 22nd. It says we scored all available sources. We scoured all available sources for early offers, including attractive trade-in opportunities from carriers like Verizon, at&t for significant savings. Usually at&t, I at least would get ads from at&t. Their trade-in value was a little bit higher than Verizon last time I checked, but we'll see. So it says, be sure to revisit this page for updated information for the latest offers once stores go live. So it says, don't forget to check out the iPhone 15 Pro cases. So we're more interested in the offer. So it says this year's iPhone 15 Pro series marks a noteworthy evolution in Apple's hardware. They say that every year, I swear. Featuring all new lightweight titanium build and improved like a 48 megapixel main camera, which the 14 Pro already has. The new dynamic island feature, the USB-C port for faster charging, and up to 20% faster data transfers on USB 3 speeds, which from what I was told is only available on the Pro models, not the 14. I think that's why it's talking about the 14 Pros. It says these models are introduced a customizable action button to replace the sound switch. So the little sound switch right here, there you go, you can see it, is now going to be replaced with a button. If you hold it down, it will still do from mute or silence to unmute, but if you give it a tap, it will give you an action like turn on the flashlight, the camera, or you can really customize it to anything, to even open an app. So says these models are also introduced a customizable action button, a 5x telephoto optical zoom lens, 120 millimeter lens equivalent, and a stronger ultra wideband chip for improved Find My performance. Sorry about that. So a couple things, the camera does from 3x zoom to 5x telephoto optical zoom. It's 20% faster data transfer speeds. Doesn't say anything about charging. Well, it does say for faster charging, up to 20% faster data speeds. But notable, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max get the fresh A17 Pro processor, strong enough to powerful AAA gaming titles like Assassin's Creed Mirage, which is pretty cool. In contrast, the base models are reusing an A16. So basically, the 15 regular lineup, not the Pro models, will use an iPhone 14 chip, which is an A16, which is not bad at all. I mean, mine has it on the 14 Pro, and it's pretty fast. I don't have any hiccups with it or anything like that. So, of course, they do have the SOS emergency services, which is pretty cool too. So now, if you want to buy one directly from a wireless carrier, you'll find some of the best iPhone 15 Pro trade-in deals at Verizon. Ooh, new and upgrading customers can get up to $1,000 depending on the plan they select and the phone they trade in. And Verizon will accept almost any iPhone, even if they have something ancient like the iPhone 5. Wow. There are more deals to take advantage of during the iPhone 15 Pro pre-order period, so keep reading. So here we go. The best iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max deals. This is by Verizon, so we're about to find out. So Verizon offers up to $1,000 off the iPhone 15 Pro to new and existing customers who add an unlimited line. Unlimited ultimate. Oh, geez, unlimited ultimate line. The base 128 gig model costs $1,000, so your upgrade is free if you can get the highest trade-in value. The iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at $200 higher. Whoa, Jesus. So yeah, it's $200 higher this time. So instead of $100. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts $200 higher, so you can't get it free, but you can get it pretty close. You can trade in models as old as iPhone 5, but expect lesser trade-in value the older your device is. The newer the phone, the more you'll get. your phone's condition also factors into the final trade-in, which is true. If your phone's all busted up, raggedy, scratched up, of course it's not gonna be the same trade-in. It's kind of like a car. If you think about it, if your car's looks brand spanking new, no scratches, everything looks good, and good tires, good paint, versus you're trading in the same car but it's all raggedy, missing a tire, well, tire hub or whatever, it's all scratched up, they're not gonna give you that much. Ripped up seats, It says if you're an existing customer upgrading an existing line on the Ultimate Plus plan, you can get up to $830 off. Ultimate Welcome customers get up to $430 off. So with Verizon, you get the Welcome, the Plus, and the Ultimate. So of course the plan goes up higher. I think the Ultimate with auto pay is like 80 or 90 bucks. So yeah, it's pretty expensive. It says plus you can trade in your old smartwatch and add an Apple's Watch Series 9, Apple Watch Ultra 2 with your purchase for just $6 per month or $14 per month. Wow, that's not bad at all. So the iPhone 15 Pro financing option. So of course you can buy it outright or you can finance it. So starting at $1,000 if you want to buy it outright, but you can get also 0% financing over 36 equal months installments of $2,777. That jumps to $1,100 for the 256 gig model, $30.55 monthly, and $1,299 for 512 gigabytes, or $36.11 monthly, and $1,500 for the 1 terabyte, which is $41.66 monthly. Wow. With maximum trade values, the 128 gig iPhone 12 Pro or 15 Pro, should I say, would be free. Now the Pro Max, of course, costs a little bit more. There's a Leapfrog's 128. Okay, so basically it's gonna skip the 128 gig model and give you the 256, which was already another almost $100 more. So it's not that smart, but whatever. So it costs basically $1,200 or $33.33 monthly. The 512 model is $1,400 or $38.88 monthly, and the 1 terabyte is almost $1,600 or $44.44 a month. Your monthly charge for an iPhone 15 Pro Max could be as low as $5.56 with a maximum trade-in. Wow. And of course, there's 36-month financing. So the iPhone 15 Pro deals at AT&T. So it says at AT&T, new and existing customers can get up to $1,000 off the iPhone 15 Pro series, minimum of $230 trade-in value. So maybe AT&T has a lower trade-in value requirement versus Verizon, didn't really say. With qualifying trade-ins applied as a monthly credit for the length of your installment agreement. That means the base iPhone 15 Pro model is free if you can fetch the highest credit, which is not bad. And of course, same thing financing for the iPhone 15. It's the same thing. They're all for 36 months. So yeah, it's basically the same thing. So we're not really going to go over that too much because it's like I said, it's roughly the same thing. But you can buy it outright or finance it. 36 months, which is not bad. So. And says you can also add $6 per month to enroll on the AT&T Next Up, which lets you trade in your iPhone for the newest model each year after paying 50% off of its cost. So not too bad. Now here's T-Mobile. T-Mobile usually gets a little crazy. So it says at T-Mobile you can get the iPhone 15 Pro for free on a Go 5G Plus or Go 5G Next plan when trading in an eligible device. For instance, you will get the full $1,000 credit by trading in a working condition iPhone 11 Pro, while a base iPhone 14 nets $830. Whoa. Even the iPhone 7 is eligible and respectable $400 credit. Wow. The Go 5G Next plan, you can upgrade your iPhone every year. Wow. Not bad at all. But of course, that plan, I believe, is $100 a month. So yeah, kind of pricey. For other plans and iPhone models, Magenta Max customers can get up to $650 off. Magenta and Go 5G plan base is $350 off, and other plans $200 off. So you can still save money on it with T-Mobile, and it's not bad at all. So it says you'll save more if you're buying more too, with T-Mobile offering $700 off your second iPhone 15 device when adding a line, eligible for almost all plans. Wow. These savings come off monthly bill of 24 equivalent installments. So not bad at all, guys. T-Mobile, like I said, does give you a lot of good offers. So now there's Boost Infinite, which I did make a video of it. It's Boost Mobile, but Boost Mobile prepaid. So it says, while with Boost New Infinite Infinite for iPhone plan, $6 per month. You can save up to $1,000 off an iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you'll get free upgrades to the newest model every year. The plan includes unlimited talk, text, and data, 5 gigabytes of North American roaming data with unlimited calling and texting to and from Canada and Mexico, and calling to more than 200 countries. So basically, with Boost Infinite, if you sign up with them, guys, it's either going to be on T-Mobile or AT&T's network. Of course, they'll only give you 30 gigs of high-speed data, which they consider unlimited. But remember, $6 a month, and you're getting an iPhone 15 Pro. Well, you can save up to $1,000 off an iPhone 15 Pro, so it'll be free, or you pay like $200, which you divide that via monthly installments for an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Of course, other iPhone 15 Pro trade-in offers. Both Apple and Best Buy allow you to trade in devices for credits that you can use towards iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. You won't see increased trade-in value like you'll see purchasing through a carrier, but it's worth noting. So here we go. Here's so an iPhone 14 Pro Max only gets you $650. Remember, this is through like Apple and Best Buy. 14 Pro, $570. Basically, you can see here everything. Even an iPhone 11 Pro will give you $250, which is kind of low. You can probably sell them for either this or about that. So iPhone 13 Pro Max is $580. You could probably get that, if you sell it yourself. So not too bad trading deals. I mean, even an iPhone 7 gets you $40. So not bad at all, guys. Of course, the pre-order started yesterday, September 15 of 2023, and it does release on the 22nd of this month. So from order Friday, get it next Friday. So not too bad. And of course, with constraints, you might not be able to get it on launch day, but pretty close to it. So thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this video was not too long. I didn't try to make it too long, but thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Thank you so much.